Did you know that the average person gains about 1 to 2 pounds during the holiday season? While this might not sound like much, these extra pounds can add up over the years. Stay tuned to discover how you can indulge in holiday treats without compromising your health. Welcome to Tip Top 8. Today, we're diving into how you can enjoy all those delicious holiday goodies while maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Let's set a positive tone for the festive season by balancing indulgence with mindfulness. The holiday season is a time for celebration, which often means an abundance of delicious food. However, many of us struggle with enjoying these treats without feeling guilty or worrying about weight gain. The challenge lies in striking a balance between savoring festive foods and maintaining our health goals. With parties, family gatherings, and endless sweets, it can be difficult to stay on track. But don't worry, we have some practical tips to help you enjoy the holidays without the extra pounds. Here are 8 tips to help you indulge mindfully. 1. Portion control. Use smaller plates to help manage portion sizes and prevent overeating. This simple trick allows you to enjoy a variety of foods without going overboard. 2. Mindful eating. Slow down and savor each bite. Pay attention to flavors and textures, which can enhance your eating experience and help you feel satisfied with less. 3. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Sometimes thirst is mistaken for hunger, so staying hydrated can help control cravings. 4. Balance your plate. Fill half your plate with vegetables and fruits, leaving room for smaller portions of richer foods. This ensures you're getting nutrients while still enjoying treats. 5. Limit liquid calories. Be mindful of high-calorie drinks like eggnog or sugary cocktails. Opt for lighter alternatives or set a limit on how many you'll have. 6. Eat before parties. Have a small, healthy snack before attending holiday events to avoid arriving hungry and overindulging on treats. 7. Prioritize favorites. Choose your favorite holiday treats and skip those that aren't as special to you. This way, you can indulge in what you love most without unnecessary calories. 8. Stay active. Incorporate physical activity into your routine, whether it's a walk after meals or a fun holiday-themed workout. Staying active helps balance out extra calories consumed. The game-changing tip? Mindful eating. By truly focusing on each bite and savoring the flavors, you'll find yourself more satisfied with smaller portions. This practice not only enhances your enjoyment, but also helps prevent overeating. A win-win for the holiday season. To recap, we've shared 8 tips to help you enjoy holiday treats while staying healthy. Portion control, mindful eating, staying hydrated, balancing your plate, limiting liquid calories, eating before parties, prioritizing favorites, and staying active. Remember, it's all about balance. We'd love to hear from you. Comment below with your favorite holiday treat and let us know which tip you'll be trying this season. Don't forget to check out our other videos on healthy eating tips for more ways to stay fit and fabulous.